Are you looking for the best 3D printers under 100? In this video we will look at some of the best 3D printers under 100 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. ANYCUBIC Wash 3D Printer. The realm of 3D printing has become increasingly accessible, with a range of budget-friendly options available for enthusiasts and beginners alike. One notable product in this category is the ANYCUBIC Wash Cure 3, a 2-in-1 machine designed for SLA, LCD, and DLP resin 3D printers, particularly catering to the Photon Mono 2. Priced under 100, 3D printers in this range offer a cost-effective entry point for individuals looking to explore the world of additive manufacturing without breaking the bank. These printers are often compact, user-friendly, and suitable for a variety of applications, making them ideal for hobbyists, students, and small-scale projects. Number 2. Easy3 K7 Mini 3D Printer. The Easy3 K7 Mini 3D Printer is an entry-level 3D printing device designed to be user-friendly, making it an ideal choice for beginners and those looking for a straightforward 3D printing experience. This compact and portable 3D printer is particularly suitable for use as a toy or gift due to its ease of use. The printer employs FDM-fused deposition modeling technology and supports various filament materials, including TPU and PLA with a diameter of 1.75 mm. With its black color and miniaturized design, the Easy3 K7 is not only functional but also aesthetically pleasing. The simplicity of its operation allows users to quickly grasp the basics of 3D printing, making it a great introduction to the world of additive manufacturing. Whether you are a hobbyist or someone looking to explore the possibilities of 3D printing without dealing with complex setups, the Easy3 K7 Mini 3D printer aims to provide a hassle-free and enjoyable experience. Number 3. EasyThreed FDM Mini 3D Printer. The EasyThreed FDM Mini 3D Printer, also known as Nanodrukarka, Impressora, Cheap Imprimanti, Stampanti, Impressora, and Small, is a compact and affordable 3D printing solution. This Mini 3D printer is designed to be user-friendly and accessible for beginners, hobbyists, and educators who are looking to explore the world of 3D printing without a significant investment. One of the notable features of the Easy3 FDM Mini 3D printer is its small footprint, making it suitable for limited spaces. Despite its compact size, this printer is equipped with fused deposition modeling FDM technology, allowing users to create three-dimensional objects layer by layer using thermoplastic filaments.